Hi, I'm Mike the Poolman. Are you considering a pool service, don't know who to hire, and aren't sure who to trust? Please consider me.
The thing that makes Mike unique is that I can, depend on him. We travel a lot, we're retired, and I don't have to worry about is my pool taken care of, and over the last 19 years has been in perfect balance all the time. And every time I call him, he always calls back, and he's very reliable, and that, to me, that's very important.
We just realized that it is way too hot to live here without having something to dip ourselves into during the summertime. And a friend of ours recommended Mike for his pool service, and we have been happy ever since we've made that decision. Top-notch service. He is available for any questions that we have, almost instant replies to email, and just been really, really happy with his dedication.
Whenever I have questions about my pool, I feel very comfortable in giving him a call and just asking his advice. He doesn't try to sell me a new service. In fact, there's times that I've called him and said, "Can you do this for me?" And his response has been, "Well, I could do that for you, but you could save money by doing it yourself, and here's how to do it." And I just really appreciate that. To me, that just underscores his integrity and his honesty and his excellent ethics in the business practices that he embraces.
I value trust. I know inviting someone into your backyard can feel very personal. I am honored to have earned the trust of my clients. I am grateful that they have taken their valuable time to share their experiences about the pool service and repair I provide. For details, go to my website, MikeThePoolman.com, or just click here to contact me right now. I'll come by to look at your pool to see if this is a good fit for both of us. Thanks for watching.